In this BDRSuite How-To Series video, I'll show you how to create a backup job template. Open the BDRSuite Backup Server console, enter the username, password, and click on Sign In. As a first step, configure a backup repository to store backup data. You can configure it from the Infrastructure Backup Repository menu. Now, let's create a template. Go to Backup, Manage Backup Job Template menu, and click on Create New Backup Job Template. On this page, enter the basic template details. First, specify a name for the backup job template. Next, select the template type. You can find a template for each backup type. In this demo, I'll show you how to create a backup job template for Microsoft Hyper-V. The process is similar for other backup types as well. Then, select the repository. The backup jobs created using this template will use this repository to store backup data. Once you have entered the basic template details, click Next to proceed. Disk exclusions allow you to include or exclude disks from backup. By default, all disks are included. Click Next to proceed. On the Guest Processing Settings page, you can choose to enable or disable application-aware and log truncation. Once enabled, BDRSuite ensures application-consistent backup for Microsoft applications running on VMs. Ensure to add VM credentials in which the application is running for successful application-consistent backup. BDRSuite offers flexible backup scheduling options. Select the backup frequency for incremental backups. For this template, I've configured daily backups at 6 p.m. Only the initial backup is full, and afterwards, it is forever incremental backups. If you want to schedule periodic full backups, you can enable synthetic or additional full backup options. Click Next to proceed. Retention allows you to specify the number of days or versions to retain your backups. If disabled, all restore points will be retained. You can enable retention and customize the policies as per your storage and compliance requirements. Once done, click Next. By default, backups are encrypted during transfer and at rest. To protect backups using a custom password, you can enable backup encryption and add a password. Then, click Next. Finally, review your backup job template configuration and click on Save. Once again, click on Save on the confirmation dialog. All the created backup job templates will be listed here from where you can view, edit, or delete them anytime. I'll now show you how to configure a backup job using the created template. Go to Backup, Configure Backup, Virtual Machines menu, and click on Microsoft Hyper-V. On the Basic Job Details page, select the option Create Job using an existing template and select the backup job template you want to use. Following that, enter the basic job details such as the backup job name. Once completed, click Next to proceed. Now, select and add the Hyper-V host or virtual machines that you want to use the backup job template configuration. If you want to edit your job template configuration, you can simply click on this checkbox and make the changes. If you do not want to modify the template configuration, you can click Next to proceed. Finally, review the backup configuration. Once done, click on Save. Once again, click on Save on the confirmation dialog. You can view, edit, and manage all your backup jobs from the List Backup Jobs page. If you need any assistance, please contact BDR Support. Thanks for watching.